This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can format an SD card on this drone. So to start, enter the camera or the GoFly view, and this goes without saying, but still make sure that aircraft and RC are connected. You can see the live feed from your camera. Now in the GoFly interface launch settings, select camera category on top, scroll down and look for the storage. Here, make sure to select an SD card. I don't have one at me currently because this little drone supports only like some high speed cards, which I do not have one on me currently. So yeah, just select the SD card here if you have it available, and once it is selected, once it is in white, like the internal storage is in my case, press the format button, select what location you would like to format, and press format. And that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.